Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've had a lot of requests to complete a video for how to utilize our calculator. Um, the calculator that we use on Schoology is very helpful. Let me make sure this is still recording. There we go. Yep, we are still recording. And so the way we do this is first you're going to log into BCPS1 using your credentials, and this will work for all of the classes. Now you go into your course, and I'm going to use my geometry course as an example. If you go into the resources to get you started folder, and just click the drop down, go into calculator, and you'll see we have two different things here. The first thing you want to do is you want to double click the TI-84. Double click that. It'll open it up, double click it again. And notice it opens a little download down here if you're running Chrome. It'll also do that in Windows. You do not need to click this. Do not click this. Go back to the calculator tab. Now run this Wabbit emulator. It'll do the same thing. You need to double click. This will pop up right down here. Now yours won't say 11, it'll probably say 1 or 0. Don't worry about that. I just downloaded it a bunch of times. So double click that. Once you've double clicked Wabbit, it'll say browse ROM for image on computer. Hit browse. And when you hit browse, it'll automatically pop up the TI-84 you downloaded previously. Notice I have 5 here because I've downloaded it so many times. All you need to do is select one of them. It'll pop up right here and hit finish. And now you'll see it doesn't really look good here. If you hit the maximize button, which is a little bit out of view, it's kind of like that little box. It'll fill up the entire screen here. And now you can run all of the things you would normally run on your calculator. Make sure, I would recommend using the touch screen. Do not use the keys on your keyboard. They do not link up properly. So this is how we bring up our calculator if you do not have one at home. I hope you guys find this helpful and have a great rest of the day.